What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to optimize your WordPress database tables using phpMyAdmin and cpanel. Over time, your WordPress database can collect overhead, things like deleted post revisions, expired transients, temporary data, and general fragmentation. All of this can slow down your site. The good news is that MySQL includes a built-in optimize tool, and you can run it directly inside of phpMyAdmin with just a few clicks. This is another advantage of hosting with RackNerd's cpanel shared hosting. With phpMyAdmin included, you can maintain and clean up your WordPress database anytime without plugins or extra tools. If you're not hosting with us yet, definitely check out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing your website fast, secure, and reliable. Now, before we get started, I will mention that in previous tutorials, we've covered how to repair database tables using phpMyAdmin. Today, we're taking the next step, optimizing your tables so that your database runs more efficiently. All right, let's move right into the steps. Start by logging into your cpanel account. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see the databases section and click on phpMyAdmin. When phpMyAdmin opens, look at the left sidebar where your databases are listed. Click on the database that belongs to your WordPress site. If you're not sure which one this is, you can always check your wp-config.php file in File Manager to confirm the database name. After you select your database, you'll see a full list of all the tables inside. Things like WP Posts, WP Options, WP Comments, and many, many more. At the top of this table, click the checkbox to select all tables at once. If you prefer to optimize only specific tables, you can check them individually, but selecting all of them is safe and recommended. Once your tables are selected, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a drop-down labeled with Selected. Click that menu and choose Optimize Table. phpMyAdmin will now run the optimization process. This usually takes a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see confirmation messages showing the results for each table. After the optimization completes, go ahead and refresh your website. You may not see a visible change, but behind the scenes, your database is now cleaner, more efficient, and often slightly faster. And that's it. You have successfully optimized your WordPress database tables in phpMyAdmin. This is a quick maintenance step that helps keep your site running smoothly, efficiently, if you've posted frequently or have a lot of plugins storing data. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cpanel hosting gives you full control over your website. With tools like phpMyAdmin built in, you can clean, repair, and tune your database anytime you need, all without installing additional plugins. If you're looking for reliable hosting with full cpanel access, visit RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step guides just like this. All right, that finishes this walkthrough. I'll see you again in the next video.